Today to give you an update on Axie Infinity. We're going to be breaking this chart down from a technical analysis perspective, and then we're going to be looking at potential price targets for the next 6 to 12 months. Very exciting stuff here. And also we're going to be looking at potential trades that we can be looking out for over the next sort of week or so. And then we're going to be looking at potential buy areas for this asset to be buying it and holding over the next 6 to 12 months. So without further ado, let's get deep down, dirty and deceitful into the chart. Starting off with market structure for this asset. You can see the most recent higher high that we have set for this current uptrend is currently priced at around $13.50. Very, very bullish. You can see from that zone, unfortunately, we did crash down quite rapidly. Is what it is. Happens when you go parabolic, guys. We're looking for that clean market structure. Onto the market structure levels to really take into consideration here for Axie Infinity. We're talking higher lows. We're talking higher highs. Let's talk about the most recent high low that we have seen for this asset, and it is currently set down at around $8.27. Now, very crucial stuff from this area, because basically this is the confirmation that you're still in this lovely, juicy, not bull market, but uptrend, okay? So, yeah, definitely an area we need to be looking out for there. The unconfirmed high low that we currently have set in is around $8.80. Now, just a little quick lesson on higher lows, guys, for you less experienced traders out there. A higher low is when you have a move breaking previous highs, as you can see over here, breaking previous highs, and then a significant pullback from that zone, and then you break that high again. Once you break that high again, it confirms that higher low. So you can see here, we've broken this high, we've set this high, we've had the pullback, but we haven't broke this high again, right? So this is an unconfirmed higher low at this time, so it doesn't stand. It stands, but it's not valid, essentially. So we can actually lose it, and it still holds that bullish market structure. But this is the most recently confirmed one at $8.25. Just quickly, guys, I want to talk to you about a free cryptocurrency webinar that I'm hosting every single day. In this webinar, it basically shows you a simple 5-step strategy on how you can build a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Everyone that attends this webinar will get access to a new strategy worth $250 and also $300 worth of mindset training as well. If that interests you, link is in the description. Also, link is in the top side of the screen just up there as well. If you want to get involved with that, just click there. But for now, back to the video. So basically, you can expect price fluctuations coming down to that area and that support being formed from there, okay? So that is potentially around 20% in terms of price fluctuation right now. So yeah, just be prepared if you are holding Axie Infinity right now. You could see a little bit of move to the downside or the upside. Yeah, just be prepared. You could lose 20% of your bags, and just a bit of price fluctuation there. Now, let's talk chart patterns. Let's talk price predictions. So you can see here that we do have a very strong symmetrical triangle chart pattern, the resistance being from the high, from these crucial test areas. And what are we doing right now? We're currently testing that level of resistance, okay? Now, this is a bullish pennant chart pattern, guys. It's a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the top of this lovely uptrend here, and that essentially means it transforms into a bullish pennant chart pattern, which is a continuation chart pattern, which does mean continuation to said upside. Very bullish. It's a bullish sign. Very good stuff. The support that we're looking out for here, guys, you can see support, support, support. Really, really, really nice stuff there. Momentum from this zone, you can see momentum 35% there. You can see 15% there again, so near enough half there. So what does that tell us if we do come down to this area? Looking at around a 7% move to the upside there. 7.5% give or take. Now that's just momentum from that trend line. Let's talk about potential explosion levels. We're going to talk measure moves, guys. Let's talk measure moves from this area and price targets for a potential long position for you guys to be taking advantage of, me to be taking advantage of, and yeah, it's going to be worth around 13% to the upside. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Go do your own research. But usually when you see a bullish pennant chart pattern and a breakout scenario to the upside looking pretty juicy like so, there's going to be a nice move. It's going to be a breakout situation there. Now, things to be considered along the way. Things to consider along the way. Get your English right, man. Is going to be these areas, okay? The reasoning for this is, guys, as you can see, massive, heavy, dirty, disgusting resistance from this zone. Continuous. Yes, we do get support there as well. So, what does that tell us? Candle body close wise, if you look at the most recent candle body closes inside this lovely, lovely range here, we usually, always, most of the time, hit this top side as well, okay? So, for example, let's break this down. Candle body close, hit the top side. candle body close, hit the top side. Pretty bad example. Candle body close, hit the top side. Candle body close, hit the top side. Candle body close, near enough got there, didn't quite get there. Candle body close, didn't get there. Okay, so overall, in terms of a ratio perspective here, there's more chance of us hitting the top side if we do get a candle body close in this area than not. Okay, so what we're looking for here, guys, is simply a candle body close for an entry point above $10.92 for a lovely, lovely little cheeky long position. Probably going to be up to the Fibonacci retracement of the 0.236, and that does mitigate the risk of not hitting that top side level of resistance there. So around 3.2% on the cards for Axie Infinity if we get that candle body close to the upside from that point. Now, depending on where we're going to break this area, very, very interesting stuff. Depending on where we're going to break this area is depending on how long it's going to take. Okay, so if we break it over the next day or so, then yes, very nice. Could simply just be waiting for this entry point. If we break it in the next sort of 3-4 days, you're going to be breaking it down here, guys. What does that mean? It gives us a whole nother space to be playing with, around 7%, okay? So there is going to be a potential move later on to be looking out for there, and I will be covering that as the days go on, guys. So yeah, make sure you drop a sub and notifications so you're never going to miss one of the uploads here. But yeah, let's get deep down dirty into a massive price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months to see how much money you could be making if you're holding this asset from here until the end of the bull market, okay? The height of the bull market, if you will. So let's go to CMC and let's look at Axie. Currently 77th on the race to the top, currently priced at $1.4 billion market cap for this lovely GameFi token. And you can see the all-time high for this asset is actually ridiculously high. It's at $160 a coin. Okay, $160 a coin is crazy, very lucrative. So yeah, if we are going to be doing a price range for, and remember guys, GameFi hasn't even woken up yet. We saw how well GameFi did the previous run, and in my opinion, when you see the influx of retail capital coming into crypto, right? When you see that happen, two things happen. Two things that I've noticed anyway. Meme coins explode. Okay, because essentially it's dumb money, it's retail money coming in, not knowing what to buy. Oh, that dog looks cool. That looks like a great investment. I'm going to buy Doge. Why not? It's going up. Everyone's making money. Everyone's talking about it. And it's absolutely fine for that to happen. Now, people with a bit more education in the crypto space, after they've learned about meme coins, what do? They go to NFTs. They go to GameFi. They go to that sort of area. Okay, only naturally because it's the easiest sort of area of blockchain to understand. Then we see a nice big scoop of capital coming into GameFi coins, okay? So this is why we're going to see, and what we did see last run, is coins like Axie Infinity absolutely explode here. So yeah, coins to watch: Axie Infinity, Gala, Sandbox, Blocktopia, loads and loads of GameFi coins out there. And right now they're seriously underpriced. But yeah, if we are going to be doing a price prediction all the way to the previous all-time high, guys, we're going to be looking at around $162, and that's going to be around a 15.7x on your investment here, if you're just to buy now. Okay, crazy stuff. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. This is a price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months. And again, this is just using the previous all-time high. Usually, we tend to usually break all-time highs. Okay, so maybe 20x. We are going to be looking at a 20x here, guys. It's going to be just going to be 19. 1,900%. Yeah, it's going to be around $207 a coin for Axie Infinity. Unbelievable, crazy stuff. But yeah, that's going to be your price prediction. That's going to be a bit of charting there. So let me know if you liked the video, guys. Drop a like on it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be buying Axie Infinity and holding this for the next 6 to 12 months. Massive, massive investment opportunity there for GameFi tokens in general. But yeah, if you like the content, smash a like. Well, that's going to be it from me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.